Imagine a world where justice isn't just about punishment, but about healing, where the focus shifts from retribution to transformation. What if the legal system could be a tool not just for maintaining order, but for mending societal rifts and rebuilding communities? This is the essence of transformative justice, a concept that challenges traditional views and seeks to address the very roots of injustice. Transformative justice represents a radical shift in the realm of constitutional law. It is not merely concerned with individual rights, but emphasizes rectifying systemic inequalities and fostering social change. This approach is built on the bedrock of equity, inclusivity, and empowerment, aiming to reshape the power dynamics that fuel injustice. At its core, transformative justice moves away from punitive measures and toward healing and reconciliation. It addresses the root causes of conflict and injustice, striving to create an environment that facilitates profound societal change. This is justice that heals rather than harms, that rebuilds rather than ostracizes. A key element of transformative justice is its focus on intersectionality and equity. It recognizes that oppression often intersects along lines of race, gender, class, and sexuality. Traditional legal frameworks frequently overlook these intersections, but transformative justice seeks to bring them to the forefront, ensuring that the legal system becomes a tool for empowering marginalized communities rather than suppressing them. The principles of transformative justice in constitutional law are both broad and deep. It begins with the recognition of structural injustice. The law must acknowledge historical and ongoing injustices that are embedded within societal structures, including systemic racism, sexism, and economic inequality. By confronting these issues, constitutional law can work towards dismantling oppressive systems. Another pillar of transformative justice is the empowerment and participation of marginalized groups. This principle advocates for the inclusion of those often left out of legal and political conversations, enabling them to have a say in the processes that affect their lives. It champions community-based solutions and restorative practices that consider the needs and experiences of the most affected. However, the application of transformative justice is not without its challenges. It requires a fundamental rethinking of legal practices and principles, which can be a monumental task in systems resistant to change. Additionally, the broad scope of transformative justice can make its implementation complex and resource-intensive. Despite these challenges, the potential of transformative justice to foster a more equitable society is immense. By focusing on healing and structural change, it offers a path towards a more just and inclusive world. In conclusion, transformative justice in constitutional law is not just a theoretical concept, but a practical approach to redefining justice. It challenges us to reimagine the purpose and practice of law, transforming it from a system of control to one of empowerment. With its principles of equity, inclusivity, and empowerment, transformative justice holds the promise of creating a legal system that truly serves all members of society, paving the way for lasting social change.